Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Golden Signal Forecast Update. Today is Monday, August 18th, and in this session, we'll be reviewing the latest developments in the gold market. Over the past week, gold has been moving in a narrow range, testing both support and resistance levels, and now investors are watching closely to see which way the market will break in the coming days. In today's update, we'll first take a look at the international picture of gold priced in US dollars, also known as gold spot, and then we'll turn to the domestic gold market here in Thailand, focusing on the 96.5% gold bar prices in baht. Both perspectives are important because while global factors influence the overall trend, local currency movements and Thai market demand create their own opportunities and risks. On Friday, gold closed the week at $3,336 per ounce, while the Thai Baht was trading at 32.50 baht per US dollar. This closing price reflects the ongoing struggle in the market. Gold is still in a medium to long-term downtrend, and despite several attempts to rebound, it has not yet shown the strength needed to change direction. For the market to shift back toward a medium-term uptrend, gold would need to climb above the crucial resistance level at $3,365. This level has now become the line in the sand. As long as gold cannot move above it, the outlook remains weak, and traders should prepare for more downside. Now, what does this mean for short-term trading in the coming days? If you are looking for opportunities to buy, there are several levels to watch. Gold could attempt to rebound step by step. Potential buy positions could be placed around 3,340, then 3,346, 3,352, 3,360, 3,366, and finally at $3,375. If momentum continues, the next profit-taking zone could stretch toward $3,383 to $3,385. These levels represent short bursts of upward movement, but they depend heavily on gold's ability to break past resistance points. On the other side, if you prefer to trade with the current trend, which remains bearish, selling opportunities are also very clear. If gold continues to struggle below 3,345 and 3,365, the probability of a further decline is around 90%. And once the market slips below $3,330, the selling pressure could intensify. Profit targets on the downside are placed around 3,323, 3,314, 3,306, 3,294, and $3,285. The important point to remember here is that 3,345 and 3,365 are the key markers. If gold stays below them, the downtrend remains strong. But if gold surprises the market and manages to rebound and hold above both levels, then the story changes completely. In that case, we could see a strong upside rally, with prices aiming for $3,400 to $3,415. This creates a very interesting short-term setup for traders. It is almost like a coin flip around these key resistance levels. Until they are broken, the market is biased to the downside, but once they give way, the momentum could swing dramatically upward. Now let's shift our focus to the Thai market. For many of you watching this channel, the domestic gold bar price is the most relevant. At the moment, Thai gold bars are trading between 51,250 and 51,350 baht per baht weight. Much like the international picture, the medium-term trend here is still bearish, but in the longer term, the trend is actually bullish. This means that while short-term fluctuations might bring prices down, the bigger picture still points upward. The turning point for Thai gold is clearly defined. If the price rebounds and manages to break through 51,400 baht, that would signal the start of a medium-term uptrend. Once above this level, the market could aim for 51,500 to 51,550 baht. If momentum continues, the next resistance levels stand at 51,650 to 51,700 baht, and eventually as high as 51,800 to 51,850 baht per baht weight. On the downside, however, there are also risks. If gold fails to hold above 51,400 and instead falls below 51,100 baht, a new wave of selling pressure could push prices down to 50,750 to 50,850 baht. And if this support zone is broken, the market could extend even further downward before stabilizing. So, for Thai gold buyers and investors, the situation is very similar to the international market. It's all about watching the key breakout points. Above 51,400 baht, the trend improves and buyers take control. But if prices drop below 51,100, the short-term picture weakens again, opening the door to another decline. It's also worth noting that the Thai gold market is influenced not only by the global price of gold, but also by the movement of the baht currency itself. With the baht fluctuating between periods of strength and weakness, local prices can move differently than the global chart. This makes it even more important to track both international and domestic signals closely. Key takeaways. Gold closed last week at $3,336 per ounce, with the baht at 32.50 per dollar. The US dollar price remains in a downtrend unless it breaks above $3,365. Below $3,345 and $3,365, the probability of further decline is very high. A successful breakout above those levels could push gold up toward $3,400 to $3,415. In Thailand, gold bars are trading between 51,250 and 51,350 baht. The key breakout level is 51,400 baht. Above it, prices could rise sharply, while below 51,100, downside risks return. And that wraps up today's 6-minute gold forecast. As always, the market remains unpredictable, but by keeping an eye on these key levels, you'll be better prepared for whatever direction gold takes in the coming days. We'll be back with another update midweek, so stay tuned. If you found this forecast helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next gold market update. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.